In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Squarespace site safely and efficiently. By the end, you'll have a clean copy of your site's content saved to your device, perfect for migration, archiving, or keeping a versioned snapshot of your work. First, open your Squarespace dashboard. This is your home base for managing the site. If you have multiple sites under one account, double check that you've selected the correct one before you continue. It sounds simple, but it prevents confusion later when you go to use the exported file. Next, head into Settings and look for the Import and Export area. This is where Squarespace keeps the tools for moving content in and out of your site. Take a moment to scan the page so you're familiar with the options you'll see, and confirm you're in the export section rather than import. Now choose the export option for your site. You'll see a clear control that initiates an export. This tells Squarespace you want a packaged copy of your site's content. Remember, exporting does not change your live website. It simply prepares a downloadable file. You'll be prompted to select the export format Squarespace offers. Typically, you'll see a format designed to work with common platforms, such as a WordPress compatible XML for pages and posts. In many cases, products, events, or other specialized content may be provided in formats like CSV. Keep in mind that some elements, such as custom styles, certain third-party blocks, or bespoke code, may not be included in the export. That's normal for most website platforms, and it's helpful to note what will and won't be captured before you proceed. Go ahead and start the export process. Confirm your selection, and Squarespace will begin assembling your content into a single file. Avoid navigating away or closing the window right after you start, as interrupting the process can cause delays. Now wait while Squarespace generates the export file. The time this takes depends on the size of your site and the type of content you have. For larger sites with lots of images or blog posts, it can take longer. You'll typically see a message or status indicator letting you know when the file is ready. Finally, download the file and save it to your device. Choose a memorable location, like a dedicated folder for backups, and consider renaming the file with the date for easy tracking. If it's important content, store a second copy on an external drive or a secure cloud folder for extra peace of mind. That's it. You've successfully exported your Squarespace site and saved a clean copy you can reference whenever you need it.